That's what everybody say. No, yeah. You also get to see what happens at night. You get to see how we're gonna the thing there and how we're gonna sleep. But throughout all of this, you get to see what they accomplished there to get her itchy like this. She wasn't doing that yesterday at night. She wasn't doing that in the cold. She wasn't doing that any other time. Even earlier today, only now. Good chip. That's chip, by the way. And this shit that you saw earlier is aware of her since early in the morning when you saw the way that they were reacting in the shopping mall. Not morning, it was already afternoon, but you probably know that since I left the place. So. I thought to be more like when I have my cat. But my behavior is different. That crime has lasted long enough that my behavior is considerably different. I was treating her as a bird and I just finishing the job. The behavior is different for the criminals you just saw. That's that crime. As for the rest. And not just what they did, but also they threw in the air. So it's not just the behavior you see, it's the narcotics that go along with it. Almost as important, if not more. So today I'd say that most days is definitely more. Wanna eat, baby? Wanna eat something? Wait, go on. Yeah, normally I would say they has a much bigger impact. The things different. I'm looking for a bag, baby. I just need to find a bag and put this on. So what you got to see there is first off my behavior to the crimes to me and digital or otherwise, and how I handle it, in the same way I handle every day, right? Document the crimes, try to do the best I can, move forward. And what did they show her? That you saw how it's only actually settling now, with us being here for